So we're doing a repair on the primer bulb on this Toro Super Recycler Personal Pace. This is a very old one, and so take off the air cover, and I'll need to clean out, or I'll need to get a new filter. Then these are 5/16 screws, and this bulb right here is totally split, so it's not able to push gas anywhere inside there. So there's 3 of these that are 5/16. And then it is just connected by one small hose in the back that's pretty easy to disconnect here. Right there is the hose that I was saying. So with our thing split, but there's a locking pin here, and then it's also on the other side. You have to come in on this side and push it inward to get it to start moving, and then at a point you can push it out and pull it out. So then the repair that I have here, this is from Home Depot, these primer bulbs with the plastic pin that will go in its place, and I'll have one to use after. And so that's a pretty slick repair. It looks like there's a little piece of metal mesh screen in there, so I'll take a look at that too. So here's the old one, here's the new one. And hopefully it's just a matter of getting it to click in here. So the rubber slid in there, but the plastic did not go all the way back, so using a screwdriver I'll push it back just on each side. I think that is there. Just send it home there. So as you can see, there's the tab there. There's the primer bulb, and it's nice and supple now. So again, now I'll connect this piece back up to this tube down here by the carb, and then I'll screw it back on just like that with the 3 pieces that you saw when I took it off. So in retrospect, that repair was easy, but I found out I needed to do further work on a carb clean out. So that's my next step, and maybe that'll be my next video. Thanks for watching.